Very well, sir. They're doing very well.
Oh, good, good. Long time seeing you.
Yes, sir. Yes, it's been a very long time.
Good.
Hello, Amla, are you on there on the line? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yes, we can't see your video. You can say you can switch on the video, or sometime we all can talk, and then we will go for Samir's program. I'm very happy. I really never met you before, but I have been seeing your Facebook page, and I met Ashok sir when I was in Sanjeevan sometime in 2004, sometimes of 2009, and
Okay.
that was the last meeting I had with him.
Okay.
I passed much before, probably you were just born at that time, 1968 I passed.
No, Archana was born then. I was born in 1971.
You were born in 71, yes. Ashok
Yeah.
sir had just got married at that time. So we didn't
Yeah.
meet each other.
Okay.
Yeah. You can switch on your video for some time. And when we pass on to Samir, then we will not have videos. Then all of us will silence our videos. Hi. Hello.
Okay. Hi.
Yes. You look more like your mummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Yes. Ashok sir used to be with us on the cricket ground with white shirt, white pant, full white dress, and doing catch practice. And he used to hit very hard. My hand used to pain. Yeah. So admit all. There are two more in the room. Sorry, I will be admitting two more people coming. Sadashiv Patil is coming in the room, and who else? Samir. iPhone. Somebody who's with iPhone name. I don't know who this person is. iPhone कौन सा है? Who is this person with iPhone? Please unmute yourself and say hi. Hello. Who is this with iPhone? Hello. 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 सुहास सदाशिव पाटील तुम्ही तुमचं अनम्यूट करा. अजित सर हवाल.
Hi, Ajit.
Hello.
Namaskar. How are you?
Namaskar. I'm good.
Sadashiv, how are you?
नमस्कार. I'm fine.
नमस्कार. तुम्ही कुठे आहे सदाशिव? तुम्ही कुठे आहे?
मी पुण्यात आहे, बाणेरला राहतो.
पुण्यात बाणेरला. ओके. ते इथे आयफोन म्हणून कोण कनेक्ट झालेत, पण ते कोण बोलत नाहीयेत. कोण आहेत आयफोन वाले?
When
I need your identity, sir. Otherwise, I will have to remove you from the room, sir. iPhone. कोण आहे iPhone?
Patil, where in Baner?
Huh?
Hello. Somebody asked me where in Baner.
Yeah, you are.
I am on Pan Card Road.
Oh yes. Okay.
Pan Card Road.
Sometimes we will meet. अवधानी सर.
Yeah, definitely.
आपण थोडं बोलायला सुरुवात करूया.
हो चालेल.
Waves Naregal कोण आहे? Waves Naregal.
Vaibhav Naregal is a cousin of mine who is also a Sanjeevan.
Yeah. And Himanshu Dhunyal.
Himanshu Dhunyal is a present student.
Yes.
I mean, the son of one of the staff members.
Oh yeah, they're all coming. Amla, you are back in the room. I don't know, by mistake you had left the room, is it? Hello, Amla?
Yeah, I got a call. That's why it got cut.
Yeah, you got out. Okay. So I have somebody called iPhone on this, and then I'm not able to get the person's identity. So I don't want to admit somebody whose identity is not known. Is that okay with all of us?
Yeah.
Yeah. Acha, now I will do a little bit of talking. In the beginning, I would like to basically give a few minutes to Samir. Welcome, Samir, and please tell us about yourself in 2 minutes. Then we will give a chance to others to speak, and then we will have the program. Thank you. Please take over.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity, and everyone else also. Thank you for having me. I am Sameer Avdhani. I'm currently 18 years old. I just finished 12th standard, and I'm from 3rd to 10th I was in Sanjeevan Vidyalaya, and I've had some of my most memorable years there, which is why I would to give back to the school in some way. I decided to participate with you all and just share my music with you. I am currently pursuing music as a career option, and I sing, I play the guitar. I also digitally produce and compose music of various genres, and uh, my music is multi-genre. It's classical as well as pop as well as indie. There's a little bit of EDM and hip hop as well.
Oh,
Basically exploring my own music, and it's a privilege to be performing in front of you all today. Thank you.
okay. Thank you very much. Sadashiv, would you like to speak about yourself just a little bit?
Oh, okay. I was in Sanjeevan.
Your video should be on. Please switch on your video. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I was in Sanjeevan in 71 to 73.
Okay.
2 years I was there for 8th and 9th standard.
Okay.
Then after graduating, I joined Bank of Maharashtra,
Okay.
and 2 years back I got retired. And
Okay.
now I am staying with my son in Pune
Okay.
at Pan Card Road.
Okay. That's so nice. So nice. So do participate, do help our school for the centenary celebration, and we all come in this room for having encouragement, giving encouragement to young talent in our school. So today we are going to have this program from Sameer. So let's all enjoy the program. And now I will like to request Amla to talk to the group. Amla, are you there? Would you like to speak?
Yeah.
Please come on with the video and the audio. Yeah.
One second.
Yeah.
Okay, hi. I am Amala Samant now, Ashok Pandit's daughter. I am a housewife actually, and I actually nothing more to say about talk about right now. But it's good to get back and connect with all of you. So I'm very happy. And Sameer, I love you. I love your music. So we're looking forward to the songs.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, so nice. We want people with energy, and what I feel is you have a lot of energy. It's good. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Thank you very much. And let us enjoy this whole year. Our idea is that what we got from the school was something which we can never forget in our lives. We are what we are today only because of the school. And our school, we wanted to get the glory back, get again to the admissions more than 400, 500, 600. Let's hope that happens, because our school nourishes values, keeps old traditional values, gives good sanskar, and our efforts are all in the direction of making our school great. We feel where we are from Sanjeevan, so we are friends. Anyone who's from Sanjeevan, I feel so comfortable to talk to. I feel so comfortable to send a friend request, because we know we have a common bond. The Sanjeevan bond is something impossible to really understand. Many people won't understand that bond. Now I would request Ajit sir. Ajit sir, please guide us. Please talk to us for a few minutes. Yes, sir.
Okay. My association with Sanjeevan goes beyond just being a past student, which is of course my original connect with Sanjeevan, but I also got the opportunity to serve there for more than 25 years. My connection with Sanjeevan was H.T. Deshpande sir,
Okay.
because Bharti teacher is my Maushi, my aunt.
I see. Okay.
So I studied there as a staff ward for 4 years.
I see.
And then that bond continued, and I joined there as a music teacher in 91.
I see. I see.
and I served as a music teacher for more than 25 years.
Fine.
And then both my sons, Samir and his elder brother, Tushar,
Yes.
both of them are also Sanjeevan products.
Yes.
So, and my wife also served as a teacher in Sanjeevan. So,
Okay.
as a family, I suppose we have a connect with Sanjeevan, which is quite deep.
Yes. Really. Really.
So,
And
and I'm really happy that all these activities are setting the tone.
yes.
Like all these platforms like this are setting the tone for a centenary year, which will be really happening and exciting and lead to something meaningful.
Yes, I really see this, you know, in my heart, you are the icon of youth in Sanjeevan, because you are, I don't know how many, maybe 20 years younger to me, I'm not sure, but you
No,
are an
just 10
ex-student,
or 12 years, not
you
yeah.
are a teacher, you are an ex-student, and you are a music teacher. Music teachers are the ones who touch your heart, you know, every boy and girl in the school. So you are the youth icon of Sanjeevan. And whenever you feel, please come on this platform. This is a common room session. But please come,
Yes.
address the past students, give your love to them, give your appeals to them, whatever you
Of
feel.
course.
Please use this platform without hesitation. And I'm very happy that you told Sabir to consider singing on this, and he has readily agreed. I'm very happy. I don't want to spend more time now in introductions unless there is somebody who would like to talk. Everybody else. Vaibhav Naregal, I think I'll just let Vaibhav Naregal speak for a few minutes. Himanshu Dhunyal, these two people are remaining. After that, we will start our program. So I will come to Suhas. Mr. Suhas, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but I'm not able to see your picture to put you on the screen. Let me check.
Is there? But I unmuted my video also.
Okay, yeah. I would like to put you on the video. So let me see why I'm not able to do that.
Technology is beyond me.
Vaibhav, no. Wait.
No, I said technology is beyond me.
No, wait.
Suhas Shukla. He must be on second page.
No, Suhas, I think we talked before last time, right? No, the
Right,
page,
sir.
somehow the
So
page.
Suhas sir was there last meeting also.
No, I want Himanshu Dhunyal. Shall I Suhas first take Himanshu?
Hey,
Himanshu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
This is new people
Yeah.
who are there. I want to
I'm-
give two people first. So please talk to us. Yes, tell us about yourself.
Yes. So I am a student in Sanjeevan. Yeah, I'm studying in standard 11th, and I'm in Sanjeevan from third to yet I'm studying. Yeah.
You're studying at present in Sanjeevan?
Yeah, but I'm from third in
Oh,
Sanjeevan.
so great, so great. So nice to meet
Yeah.
you. Really delighted. Very
Yeah,
nice.
and I'm a student of Ajit, sir.
Very
Yeah.
nice. Very nice. Which house are
Yeah.
you in? Which house?
I'm in Tagore right now.
Tagore House. I was also
Yeah.
in Tagore House. Very nice. Okay.
Yeah.
So I will now let
I've also been in Tagore House, sir.
Samir is saying something. Samir, what is it you would like to say?
Sir, I have also been in Tagore House.
Okay, great. Yes, fantastic. I want to bring Vaibhav Naregal on the line. Is it okay? Vaibhav,
Yes, absolutely. Can you all hear me?
please
Yeah, sir,
come.
I can
Yes.
Hi, everyone. Vaibhav Naregal here. I don't know, some of you may remember me. Amala, I don't know if you recall who I'm Prachi's cousin, Ajit's cousin.
Okay.
So my connection with Sanjeevan is through H.T. Deshpande, sir.
Okay.
Bharati teacher was my aunt.
Okay.
I studied in Sanjeevan for 2 years in 1980 and 81. I was in Eklavya House at that point in time.
Okay.
And Samir happens to be my nephew.
Oh, I
Samir,
see.
you're a rock star. I absolutely love your music. So keep
Okay.
on rocking.
Oh, so
And I
cute.
wish you all the very best. I feel so honored to connect with the school. I am really very proud to be a product of Sanjeevan. And
Really.
I'm very, very happy that you've invited me for this. Thank you so much. I'm based in London now. I've been here for about 17, 18 years.
I see.
And whenever I visit India next, I will make it a point to come and see the school.
Oh, so nice. You are joining from London. Last time we had Deepak Tanna from UK. This time we have you.
Right.
That's very nice. So that's very nice indeed hearing. And what I wanted to tell you, just my battery, I will have to put a connection on the battery. Just hold on, please. And Deshpande sir, I must tell you that Deshpande sir had a special bond for me because we had taken Sanskrit. Are you hearing me? We had taken Sanskrit, so we had a special bond. And Deshpande sir used to invite us for Aarti on Thursdays. And we used to hear the Aarti, a long one and a very nice Aarti. It used to be, the whole room was so pure and with such nice vibration. We used to get really purified with joy on every Thursday. That I remember. So nice memories have got revived. Thank you very much. Now,
How lovely. Thank you.
I will request Suhas sir that after the program, we will talk to you, Suhas. Now, I want to hand over to Samir if everybody is okay with that idea. Digambar, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, sorry. No, I saw an old message just now. So now
Yeah.
I will pass it on to Samir. Samir, it will be all yours. Let me see.
Yes.
Chaitanya Thante is waiting to enter the room. Wait a moment. Why I can't see all participants together. That's the problem. Samir. Samir, now please come to the center stage and delight us with your nice performance.
Yes, sir. So I will be singing a few Hindi and English songs. I have 6 songs in total. 3 of them are Hindi and 3 of them are English. Few recent, 2 out of those are quite old. And I'm going to be starting with Pukarta Chala Hu Main.
Wow.
Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yeah. Samir, we can hear you.
And is the guitar audible?
Right. We can hear that also. Sunny. Guitar over there.
चला हूँ मैं गली गली बहार की बस एक छाव जुल्फ की बस एक निगाह प्यार की पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बहार की बस एक छाव जुल्फ की बस एक निगाह प्यार की पुकारता चला हूँ ये दिल लगी है शौकिया सलाम की यही तो बात हो रही है काम की कोई तो मुड़ के देख लेगा इस तरह कोई नजर तो होगी मेरे नाम की ये दिल लगी है शौकिया सलाम की यही तो बात हो रही है काम की कोई तो मुड़ के देख लेगा इस तरह कोई नजर होगी मेरे नाम की पुकारता चला हूँ गली गली बहार की बस एक छाव जुल्फ की बस एक निगाह प्यार की पुकारता चला हूँ जुल्फ की बस एक निगाह प्यार की पुकारता चला हूँ मैं.
Your guitar is overpowering your voice. Your
Oh,
guitar
is
is
it?
over.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
I'll reduce the volume.
Very nice. Very nice.
I hope my
Very
voice
nice.
isn't too low. The balance is right.
Yes, yes.
Is it correct now?
Yes, yes. Now, next one. Yes. It was nice.
Oh, thank you. The next song is by a very recent artist called Pratik Kuhad. He specializes in indie music. The song's name is Kasoor. It's a Hindi song. I'll be singing that.
अजूनही गिटार जोरात आहे थोडी बेटा.
जोरात वाटतंय का सर?
हो. तुझा आवाज ओव्हर दबला जाईल त्याच्यात.
Is it good now?
Yeah, we can hear.
Blessing will tell you.
Yeah, we can hear you.
त्याची गिटार ओव्हर पॉवर करत होती त्याच्या व्हॉइसला.
Is it okay now, sir?
Yeah, let's see. We'll see the song.
Okay, okay. हाँ मैं गुमसुम हूँ राहों की तरह तेरे ख्वाबों में तेरी ख्वाहिशों में छिपा ना जाने क्यों है ये रोज का सिलसिला तू रूह की है दास्तां तेरी जुल्फों की ये नमी तेरी आंखों का ये नशा यहाँ खो भी जाऊँ तो मैं क्या कसूर है मेरा क्यों ये अफसाने इन लम्हों में खो गए हम घायल थे इन लफ्जों में खो गए थे हम अनजाने अब दिल में तुम हो छिपी हम है शहर की परछाइयाँ तेरी सांसों की रात है तेरी होठों की है सुबह यहाँ खो भी जाऊँ तो मैं क्या कसूर है मेरा. That was the second song. Thank you.
Ah, that was good. Balance was good.
Wonderful.
Very good.
Balance of guitar and your voice was good.
Oh, I'm glad, sir. The next song that I'm gonna be singing is a very famous one. It's by Elvis Presley. Can't help falling in love with you. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things aren't meant to be. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? If I can't help falling in love with you.
Good.
Loved
the voice
it.
coming?
Loved it. Excellent.
Excellent,
Thank you.
excellent.
Is my voice coming clearly?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Much better.
Very nice.
Sameer, just see if you can select a slightly higher pitch.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe. Good evening, Ajit sir.
Good evening. Is that Kranti?
Yes, yes.
Nice to meet you.
I know one day we should have Chirags also.
Yeah, yeah,
He's-
definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell him to just keep his set of songs. I mean, select and keep it ready. We
Okay.
can work it out.
Yeah, yeah, sure. What do you play? I don't know. Yes.
Good.
Say Ajit.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, sir. Yeah.
Is that Chirag?
What happened?
Yes, it's Chirag and he wants. Do you play that? You have to tell. No?
Right now I'm into like rock and stuff, so metal as well.
Yeah.
Not sure
Sure.
if many people are fan of that.
Right. So I'm sure this is going to be an ongoing thing every Saturday for quite a few months. So I'm sure something can be worked out. Just tell us,
Sure.
tell Deepak sir, I mean Deepak Fadnis sir, how much time you need, and he'll schedule a Saturday for you.
All right. That seems good.
Yeah. Yes.
I consider that. Yes.
Thank you. Sorry for interrupting. You can carry on.
No. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good one. Good singing as well. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The next song is called Sham. It's by Amit Trivedi. It's from this Bollywood film called Aisha, and it's a very beautiful song as well.
Sameer, just you can get closer to the mic so that your volume is a little brighter.
How about now?
ठीक रहता.
Okay.
Yes, it's okay.
शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी, लहर लहर जैसे बह रही है, कोई अनकही कोई अनसुनी बात धीमी धीमी कह रही है, कहीं ना कहीं जागी हुई है कोई आरज़ू, कहीं ना कहीं खोए हुए से है मैं और तू, कि बुम 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 पारा पारा खामोश दोनों के बुम 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 परा परा है मदहोश दोनों जो गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं जो कहती सुनती है ये निगाहें गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं है ना सुहानी सुहानी है ये कहानी जो खामोशी सुनाती है जिसे तूने चाहा होगा अब तेरा मुझे वो ये बताती है मैं मगन हूँ पर न जानूं कब आने वाला है वो पल जब हौले हौले धीरे धीरे खिलेगा दिल का ये कमल के बुम 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 परा परा है खामोश दोनों के बुम 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 परा परा है मदहोश दोनों गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं जो कहती सुनती है ये निगाहें गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं है ना ये कैसा समय है कैसा समा है कि शाम है पिघल रही ये सब कुछ हंसी है सब कुछ जवां है जिंदगी मचल रही जगमगाती झिलमिलाती सुनिए हवाएं गुनगुनाए जो गीत लाजवाब है कि बुम 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 परा परा मदहोश दोनों के बुम 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 परा परा है मदहोश दोनों गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं जो कहती सुनती है ये निगाहें गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं है ना
Good.
Very nice.
Excellent.
Thank you. So I'm going to be ending with a song by John Lennon. The song is Imagine. I'm sure everyone in this meeting might have heard this song. And my dad introduced me to it. And since then, it's always been a favorite.
Yes. Hello. You can start.
The guitar sound isn't too low, right?
Yeah. So guitar is okay. We can hear it.
Guitar is okay.
All right.
Guitar is okay now. Your voice is also coming all right.
It's also came off very well in the last song. And I'm going to make one request after you sing this song. So I'll keep it a surprise for you. Please go ahead.
Okay. I'll see if I can sing that.
You will be able to. Yes.
Let me just adjust the pitch really quick. All right. Imagine there's no heaven us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. Imagine there's no countries. Isn't that hard to do? Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Samir.
Thank you,
Very
Samir.
nice.
Superb, Samya.
Thank you. Thank you. I hope my voice is audible throughout the song.
Very nice, Samir.
Yes, really beautiful selection of songs and well sung along with the
Thank
guitar.
you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed. Thank you.
What I
Yes,
wanted
thank
to
you.
ask is basically a question for Ajit sir. Can we sing Sanjeevan song here? Can he sing Sanjeevan song? Is it allowed?
Yeah, that see, you are the anchor, so all
Yeah,
the
but-
rules are set by you.
With the protocol. No, our Sanjeevan protocol.
I'd love to hear. I'd love to hear Sanjeevan song. I seriously would love to hear that.
So
Ajit.
let us have
The
Sanjeevan song.
only problem could be how we are going to sing it. I mean,
Do
we'll
you
sing
need help
together,
of
but
the
our
Sanjeevan
voices will.
student? Samir, do you
Before
need help?
Before
Yeah,
that,
Samir can lead it, and yeah.
before that,
Yes,
can
sir.
Samir sing that
Samir,
song
do you
where
need
we all
anybody's
can...
help?
Sir, one second. Samir, can you sing that song where we all can join? Uthe sabke kadam bolo ram pam pam. Comes out very well on guitar.
I don't happen to know this song, sir.
Okay, fine, no problem.
I can
Ajit.
prepare it the next time I perform.
Ajit, you can lead.
Yes, sir.
Uthe sabke
Yes, sir.
kadam.
Samir,
Next time definitely.
Okay.
Next Saturday.
No, we
I'll
all
come.
can join that song, na?
Yeah. I'll come prepared with the lyrics and everything.
yes.
It's a good song for this kind of platform. Yes.
Right.
Now, Samir, are you comfortable singing Sanjeevan song?
Yes, sir. That's
Okay.
completely fine.
So please go ahead, and we would like to
Unmute.
invite
Everybody
us.
should unmute.
After 1968, I'll be hearing this lady. Okay.
No, but everybody should unmute now, no?
Yeah, we can unmute. Whosoever wants, he can sing.
Samir, take E or F.
E major.
E major or F major.
This is F.
Okay.
Should I take E?
F will be fine. You'll have to start and the rest will just join you.
Sure.
It's not synced properly, but yeah, we can just.
No, I still remember the song.
Hey Sanjeevan, tu Sanjeevan, nit Sanjeevan hai, nit Sanjeevan hai, sujala sukh निकला इस धरती पर हम जो अंतेवासी, जीवन उनका पुष्पित करता नित संजीवन है। प्रेम त्याग से बंधु भाव से ज्ञाना जन के तपाचरण से सहजीवन को साथ बनाता नित संजीवन है। हे संजीवन तू संजीवन नित संजीवन है, नित संजीवन है।
Thank you.
This is completely different song.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is a new
Yeah,
What
song.
we are
it
singing?
changed sometime in the 70s.
Yeah. What
Yeah,
we
I remember it
used to
changed in
sing
the
was
70s.
different.
Sabir,
You
I
might
was-
be remembering Yah
Yeah,
Sanjeevan,
Sanjeevan.
Yah
Yah
Sanjeevan,
Sanjeevana,
Yah
Yah
Sanjeevan
Sanjeevana
ho.
ho.
Yeah,
प्रेम त्याग से बुनी चदरिया यह
Nit
संजीवन
Sanjeevan
हो।
ho. Yeah. अमलामल से भरी इस धरती के
धरती
हम something. Even I'm not very perfect with that version.
But it was nice. Old memories got revived, and
Yes.
I really love the Sanjeevan emblem on the blazer also. That is so beautiful. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya.
Jyotirgamaya.
Yes, that is something fantastic. And today, because Amla is here, so my memories of Ashok sir also got revived.
Yeah, right, sir, right.
Very touching memories. I remember my last meeting in school. I had met Deshpande sir also at that time. And recently, just about 2 years back, I had gone and met Mandlik sir at his home. Mandlik sir remembered me, and that was such a nice reunion. Anything about Sanjeevan is really nice. Now, what I would like to do is, Kranti came later, so maybe I'll put Kranti on the center stage. Kranti, would you like to talk to all of us for a few minutes? Kranti, unmute yourself and please.
Yeah, thank you for the offer, but you know, I'm in a right now very noisy environment. I'm
Okay.
not prepared to lead it. So maybe next time we are going to have it
Okay.
ongoing, na, all these sessions.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Mr.
Yeah.
Shirish Kathare, that's fine. That's fine. Thank you. Mr. Shirish Kathare is joining the room. This is really nice. I have seen his murals. He has done wonderful things for the school. I am seeing who else. Chaitanya Thatte. Chaitanya, are you there? Would you like to talk to us? Which year you were in Sanjeevan? And we would like to hear from you, Chaitanya.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Your
I
video.
mean,
Can you start your video also? Please start
Yes,
your
sir.
video. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we can hear you. Please tell us.
Yes, sir. I mean, joined the school in around 1718, and for the 2 years I was there with sir, and means I used to play tabla, drums, and everything.
Okay.
So yes, yes. So means that experience was help.
Okay. Now what are you doing at present?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing at present?
Now I'm in 12th.
You're in
12th
12th.
standard.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's so nice. So nice of you.
Yes.
Who else now? Who else now? I think what I would do. Did we talk to Vaibhav Naregal?
Yes, yes, we did.
We did hear from him.
We did hear from him. Now I will pass it to Suhas Shukla. He can talk for a few minutes. Then Shirish Kathare sir. After Suhas, we will talk to Shirish Kathare sir. Shirish Kathare sir, apan ready ahat na? Okay, Suhas, please tell us what are the things, what you see for the celebrations of Sanjeevan centenary, and please tell us about yourself.
Okay, you know, I've been talking every session practically, and in any case for the newcomers, I'm working in Sanjeevan for last 12 years as the executive coordinator, looking after the administration, the legal aspects, the property matters, and a general advisor to Shashitai for various things, basically a kind of a firefighter. My background is I'm basically a flyer, Canberra aircraft, photo reconnaissance role, took part in 71 war. I headed 3 Sainik schools of Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Karnataka. Then I was Commandant Bhosla Military School, Nashik. I had the fortune of conducting the Diamond Jubilee session of Bhosla Military School, where for one function, Mr. Gegong Apang came all the way from Arunachal as the chief guest. And for the concluding session, we had late Atal Bihari ji. Both the functions went off very well. Besides that, many other activities we did for the Diamond Jubilee function. Now, other day on Facebook, it was put up that what can be done for the function, the centenary function. See, to my mind, I mean, I wish I was given a little briefing, I could become more prepared, but notwithstanding that, there are 3 things we can do to make any such event. One is make it memorable. What do I mean by make it memorable? That means we take out some kind of a souvenir, or the latest is a coffee table book. Bring out a good coffee table book. Bring out some good mementos, which we can cherish them. So this is what can be done to make the kind of event memorable. In our case, in Bhosla Military School, we asked for a dark ticket, but we are not given the dark ticket. So we designed a thing which looked like a dark ticket. It was not a dark ticket. Indian Post वगैरह उसमें कुछ नहीं था, but it was so much looking like a dark ticket that the post people used to cancel it. So these kind of things can be done to make the event memorable one.
I'm sure you must be in touch. I'm sure you must be in touch with Sanjeevan, Sashitai teacher, and everybody.
I'm still working. I told you I'm still working. I'm now because of COVID, I go there as and when she calls me. So 2-3 महीने में एक बार मेरा जाना वहाँ होता ही होता है.
हाँ, अजीत सर भी है इधर. अजीत sir is also online. You can communicate, and we will have more of your inputs. Thank you very much. The third thing, you were saying something.
One second. This is only one part.
Yeah.
Second part is to project the image into the society.
Yes.
So for that, some great events and some very big dignitary. Last 4-5 years, I've been talking that a centenary mandates that the President of India should be invited. Nothing short of it. But now I think it is rather late for it, and have a good function where we project the image of the school to the society in large. And third thing is recognize the services of the staff, because of which we could give such excellent service to the society for all these many years. But for that, various committees have to be formed, various people have to take on various responsibilities and all that kind of things. So, I mean, more can be talked about it. I can even present a paper if people so desire.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. And please continue your dialogue with the management, with trustees, and everything will come to the right plan. There is a planning authority. They are making the plans, and let the plans roll on, roll out, and we will help the plans as much as possible by giving opportunity on this forum to whosoever is doing the planning. It will help to spread the message. I want to request Ajit sir, this will help to spread the message. Whatever is the school planning, we can enroll from here also, because I have put this on my YouTube channel after the program. This is recorded, and those who wish to catch up on the program will be able to catch up later also. So please do take the benefit of this channel. Now I want to do one thing. Sorry, sir. shall I move on to Kathare sir now? Yeah, tell me.
Just one thing I wanted to say, that there has to be a steering committee.
Yes.
Various people are doing something, but
Yes,
there has
yes.
to be one steering committee and one is a finance committee.
Yeah,
These
we
two
will hear.
committees
We will hear from the school about the steering committee, and we will hear from the school how the plan is getting unrolled. I was in discussion with Umesh Trivedi. Umesh Trivedi is one old, very nice past student. He is the owner of UKM Pharma and a very great friend of mine. And he is in touch with the school. He's doing a lot. His class is doing a lot. Today he called me, and I am sure all the messages are going to Shashitai teacher. Shashitai teacher also talked to me last week, and she says that yes, she has the blessings for this program, because what we are doing is we are coming together and having fun. And at the same time, while having fun, we are all reconnecting our hearts to the school. We don't want somebody to think that school is only asking for money. No, school is not asking for money. School is asking for your heart's contribution. And this is our heart's contribution. We come here, we sing, we have a nice common room time. Just tell us, sir, and then we will go to Kathare, sir.
What I was saying, that all these sessions that we are having every Saturday,
yes,
can we not compile them and present as one kind of see how like throughout the year we have been having these common room sessions, and what all transpired there. In short, just in short, that well, there was this thing, Samir gave us his songs and things like that. Just in a very short while, there's so many people were present, and Samir, like that. I mean, so it remains as a record. And again, what I'm saying, that memory.
Yeah. That's a different suggestion. It has to be looked upon by Sanjeevan management, Sanjeevan trust. So those things will be taken care of at the right level. Now, I would like to thank you very much. And I would like to pass on to Mr. Shirish Kathare. Kathare, sir, I would like you to talk to the people. Please introduce yourself, because we really don't know much, and tell us about your opinions, your views.
Hi, good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Am
sir.
I audible?
Yeah.
Can you all hear me?
Yes, I can
Yes,
hear
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have been, hi Ajit. So Ajit knows me very well. I was in Sanjeevan. I served Sanjeevan for 20 years, from 1989 to 2009. And I have been an active participant of all the cultural activities conducted in the school. And recently, when this was centenary year, I had some plans previously that we will do something like this, some kind of imagination, some visualized. I had visualized some things earlier. Now is the time, and I feel that the centenary year should be celebrated throughout the year, and whoever comes to the school or visits the this program celebration online or offline, they should carry away some kind of memento, some memories, so it will have recall values. So how to make it physically? So I had some ideas which I had already discussed with Shashtai, and Ajit knows, also Rais also knows. Means there are many people, Mr. Patil, Navnath Patil, they all were there. Recently, we had been to Panchgani in Sanjeevan. We lived there. We had a talk with a number of people along with Shashtai, and there was a meeting with Angatai, Deshmukh sir, and all others, those who are part of administration. And we discussed I had an idea to create a make an installation which will remain there for another 100 years. 100 years, centenary year, one installation we should make, which I have an idea, and I have passed down the sketches also. And what about the installation? What installation is about? I feel that before that, I just give you background. I do a lot of numeric visuals. It's my self-initiative research for which I have presented a paper in Lisbon, to Portugal, how numbers are beautiful visually. And I do a lot of numbers, more than 25-30,000 sketches I have done in that. So through that only, I have done some sketches, and in that I have tried to tell the story of Sanjeevan Vidyalaya, Panchgani, after 100 years. So 1922 to 2022, these are the numbers. So 1922 plus 2022, if I have combined it together and made a made number of sketches, I have already shared with Sheshtai, Ajit, and maybe later I will share here. If you want to see you can visit my Instagram page. There you can see a lot of sketches of this numeric visuals. And when it is done in Sanjeevan,
Please post the
people will
link.
use that spot as a selfie point. They will carry the memories, not only just memories, but physical memories. Actually, something is there. So, idea is 1922 is a super grandmother, is telling a story to the updated super grandchildren of 2022.
Very nice.
So 1922, these digits are telling a story of 100 years, what happened in 100 years, and it's just exchange of ideas and experiences to the batch of 2022. That is how the story is about the mural, about the installation. It
Very
can
nice.
be.
Please post the link. Please post the link on the chat. On the chat, please post the link to your Instagram page so that people will be able to use the link. Your Instagram.
I'm not very
if you can
techno savvy
the chat,
but I will try.
Or you send it to me and I will post it on the Sanjeevan Celebrations Centenary Celebrations Facebook page. Send me the link. You can send it to me.
Or you can just verbally tell right now also. We can find out.
Tell the link.
Your
Tell the
Insta link.
listeners. What is the link? To be Sangana.
तिथे टाईप SHIREESH शिरीष कठाळे @ Instagram असं तुम्ही टाईप करू शकता, तुम्हाला मिळेल.
Okay, fine. That is fine. That is fine. Really.
We also had discussed with Ajit that Ajit's idea to celebrate this, create some musical program as Diwali Pahad, or there are so many ideas coming together, and because we have been working together for many years, so we know each other in and out. So we understand that chemistry, we understand that musicality, we understand that art perspective, and number of things. We also had a wonderful relationship with Sheshtai. So she also knows us very, very closely, and what we are, how our psyche is. All that is a good mix. And I enjoyed 20 years throughout. There was no doubt, no regret at all.
Great.
Wonderful years.
Thank you very much. Now I want to move on to Ujjwala. Ujjwala, are you there? Please switch on your video and please talk to all of us. Would you like to do that? Hello? Swapnil. Ujjwala doesn't seem to be there. Ujjwala, Swapnil, would you like to talk to us? Please switch on your video and unmute yourself and speak to us. Would you like to do that? Hello, Swapnil? Swapnil, Ujjwala, they're not there?
Deepak.
Yes.
Being from services, I got a room full of mementos and number of coffee table books. If any person wants to come and have a look at them to get the idea for Sanjeevan celebration, they're welcome. Mr. Patil, I stay near Balewadi Fata.
Okay, we can meet then.
Please put a message on the chat so that message will be read by anybody who sees the video later on YouTube. Just post your message in the chat. That will be very easy for everybody to read. Okay, so Swapnil is not there. And if anybody would like to say anything, please, you are welcome. Unmute yourself and let us all talk for 5 minutes and then we can say bye-bye and meet on the next Saturday at the same time. 7 o'clock is okay?
Right, sir. No problem.
Yes, so we will meet at 7 next time. And if there is anybody who wants to offer a musical program or any program, comedy, mimicry, whatever, Ek Patri, Natya Chata, school students or even past students, whosoever wants to offer. I was very happy that one real student of Sanjeevan came today, and I'm so happy that Ajit sir decided to come today. I'm very happy, sir. Please say that they passed my gratitude to Shashitai teacher. And I have created a page, Facebook page. It is all because of my love for Sanjeevan. I'm doing this all by myself. The page name is Sanjeevan Centennial Celebrations. The idea is to give a platform to the people to express themselves and to come out with their heart. And once we know that our heart belongs to Sanjeevan, we will feel like doing anything for Sanjeevan. Whatever is within our means, we all should come together this year and celebrate the centenary in such a way that our school will regain its glory for another 100 years without any problem, and let them produce this kind of citizens that we are today, peace-loving and all-loving, all-encompassing students. This is my wish. Please speak. Whoever would like to speak, please unmute yourself and speak. Ujwala, where are you? Hello. Yeah. So all of us are happy. So Ajit sir, should we say bye to everybody now?
Yes, certainly. It was a nice meeting, and we'll have many more such.
Yes, Samir, I would like to give my formal thanks to you on behalf of the whole group, and there will be at least another 200, 300 people who will be listening to your songs when I post it on the YouTube. Thank you very much.
Right, sir.
Much thanks to you for having me, and thank you for everyone else. And it's been a pleasure playing in front of you all, and I hope you all enjoyed.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
sure.
Wish you all the best for a great career.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
all the best, Samir, and we really enjoyed it.
Thank
you
Thank you.
much.
Glad you enjoyed it.
We are looking forward to Chirag's performance.
Thank you for being here, Digambar. Thank you for
Yeah,
being
sir.
here.
Thanks a lot.
Swapnil, तुम्हें
Thank you.
बोलता है का एक मिनट है. Swapnil, I think is going to talk. Ask to unmute, and Swapnil, please speak to us. Swapnil, are you there? Hello, Swapnilचा हात वर आहे. I would like to hear from Swapnil.
स्वप्नील माने का?
स्वप्नील माने नाही, त्यांनी हात वर केला म्हणून मी म्हटलं आता ते बोलतील.
नाही, तो व्हिडिओ पण त्याचा ऑफ आहे आणि ऑडिओ पण ऑफ आहे.
Audio पण off आहे. Okay, so then let's say bye everybody.
Bye,
everybody. I would like to thank each and every one of you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Vaibhav.
you, sir.
Vaibhav Narigal, thank you. Shirish sir, thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Thank you for organizing.
Thanks for
Thank you.
organizing,
Bye-bye.
sir. Thanks a lot.
Next week. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye,
Yes,
sir.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you very much.
Hi, Ajit.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, sir. Ajit sir. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Sadashiv. Bye. Katare sir. Bye. Hello.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye bye. Katare sir. Sadashiv. Bye. Keep in touch, Sadashiv.
Bye. Yes.
Bye.
Sadashiv, send me your phone number on group.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I'll put.
Bye.